Welcome to Touring with Tasha. It's Guyana time. So my husband and I took a small trip in November of 2019 and I'm going to show you guys what we did and where we went. When we travel, we like discovering on our own. This is Main Street in Georgetown, the capital of Guyana. There's a lot of horn beeping and that's my husband taking a picture of me. In this area heading towards downtown, there were a lot of monumental buildings, churches, city hall. Most of the buildings are set in time and very historic. So guys, this is a Roman Catholic cathedral in the middle of Georgetown. It's the oldest, it's 127 years old, and it's the tallest wooden building in the world. Wow. It's Roman Catholic. It's under renovations currently for restoration purposes. It's beautiful. If you are into history, you will definitely like a personal walking tour throughout the main town in Guyana. Here we have City Hall. Next is Supreme High Court. Then the action begins. This is Stabroek Market, my favorite place in Guyana. I must visit Parliament Building. This is where all the decisions are made. It's located very close to Stabroek Market. Here we are at Brickdam Cathedral. It's about 100 years old. It was burnt down. It was wooden before and then they rebuilt it in everyday concrete. There you have Immaculate Mary. This walking tour took us about 20 minutes, about 45 minutes while stopping to take pictures. In this video, I really wanted to highlight the monumental buildings. I did stop out in the Stabroek Market and spend like 1 hour, so I will definitely share that with you in the upcoming video. Thank you for tagging along on this walking tour right here in Georgetown, Guyana. Please subscribe to Touring with Tasha on Instagram and YouTube so you don't miss the upcoming videos that I'm about to post. Come tag along.